Hey everyone, it's me, your social bae. My name is Jyoti and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to create a butterfly paper cut effect using Canva and Pixlr. So if you're interested, do watch this video till the end. Now without much talking, let's get started. Okay, so let's start. Let me first select our document from here. Now the hero of our design for today is going to be a butterfly. So let us search for butterfly in the elements. And in the graphics tab, just scroll down until you find a minimal butterfly. I want to use a very simple one, just like this. Just click on it and enlarge it. Now just change its color to, I want to have a white butterfly, so let me just change its color to white and change the background color to anything, because in this step we are anyways going to get rid of this background, so it doesn't matter. Now let me just quickly give a name to our document. Okay, so before downloading this page as PNG, just make sure to select this checkbox transparent background. Now this option is available only for Canva Pro users. So if in case you don't have Canva Pro, I will give you a link in the description. You can use that to avail Canva Pro free for 30 days. Now once the image is downloaded, let me just quickly drag it and upload it over here. So as you can see, the background has been removed. And now what we'll do is just duplicate this first page and change the background color to white. And in this step, you can change the butterfly color to anything, because in this step we are going to get rid of this area inside the butterfly. So let's download this page too as PNG. So once our image is downloaded, we'll go to a website called as pixlr.com. So here you will find two options, Pixlr X and Pixlr E. Let's go with the second option, Pixlr E. And now here you can upload the image that we just downloaded. So let me just quickly drag my image over here. Okay, let's get rid of this. Now we'll use this option over here. It's called wand select. It's like a magic wand. Just click on it and click anywhere in the blue area you see over here. Click anywhere on the blue area inside the butterfly. So as you can see, the area inside the butterfly has been selected. Now simply press backspace or delete to clear the area. Okay, so the area inside the butterfly has been cleared. Now all you have to do is go to File and simply export this image. Select the first option, Quick Export Page as PNG. Now let's upload this image to Canva. Now let's take a fresh page and change our base color to, I'll change it to turquoise blue. You can take any color you want. Now this color will be visible on our design, so you can pick any color you want. Okay, and let me just lock our background. Now from the uploads tab, just bring the image that we downloaded now. And now go to edit image. Select this option shadows, and from here select the second option, that is drop. Now let's go to the settings and I'll reduce the offset and increase the blur. Okay, and then just apply. Now once it is done, all you have to do is just enlarge this image and cover the whole background. Perfect. Now we'll bring our first image that we downloaded, the butterfly image. Let's bring that image on top of it. Now let's go to edit image and shadows. Then select this fourth option, curved, and go to settings, and I'll just increase the blur a little bit and increase the offset. Let me increase the blur a little more, and once you're done with this, just click on apply. And now again we'll go to shadows. Now select the last option, backdrop. Okay, so if you want, you can directly apply this effect from here, or what I'll do is I'll go to the settings and tweak the settings a little bit. You can of course play with the settings as per your preference. Now once you're done, just apply the settings. Okay, so we are almost done here. We'll just enlarge this image a little bit. So when you are increasing its size, just press alt and then enlarge it so that it doesn't move. It is there with its respective center point. And our butterfly paper cut effect is ready. How does it look? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video, do consider subscribing. It really motivates me to work even harder. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.